When it comes to crafting high-quality kitchenware, KitchenAid is a name that stands out. This KitchenAid saucepan with Pour Spouts, 1 quart, brushed stainless steel, is no exception. This compact yet versatile saucepan offers an impressive array of features that cater to both beginner cooks and seasoned chefs. In this review, we'll take an in-depth look at what makes this saucepan a must-have addition to your kitchen. From its design and performance to its usability and value. Why choose the KitchenAid saucepan with Pour Spouts? Compact versatility, ideal for small batch cooking and sauces. Ergonomic design, etched measurements, silicone grip handles, and pour spouts enhance usability. Durable construction, stainless steel with an aluminum core ensures even heating and longevity. Health-conscious materials, free from harmful chemicals. Easy maintenance, dishwasher-safe for hassle-free cleaning. Exceptional design and build quality. The KitchenAid saucepan is constructed from durable brushed stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek, professional appearance, but also ensures longevity. The base features a layer of heat-conductive aluminum, allowing for quick and even heating. This eliminates the risk of hot spots and ensures consistent results when cooking delicate sauces or reductions. What sets this saucepan apart is its ergonomic design. The etched measuring marks inside the pan make precise ingredient measurements a breeze, while the integrated pour spouts allow for mess-free pouring of liquids like gravies and melted chocolate. The dual riveted handle, finished with a silicone grip, stays cooler during stovetop use compared to traditional stainless steel handles, providing a safer and more comfortable cooking experience. Versatility and performance. This saucepan is more than just a stylish addition to your kitchen. It's built to perform on all stovetops, including induction. The 1 quart capacity is perfect for small batch cooking, such as reheating soups, boiling eggs, or making individual servings of pasta or rice. The oven-safe design up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit further enhances its versatility, allowing you to transition from stovetop cooking to oven finishing seamlessly. Whether you're baking a savory custard or broiling a cheese-topped sauce, this pan can handle it. Ease of use and maintenance. One of the standout features of the KitchenAid saucepan is how user-friendly it is. The dishwasher-safe design means you can enjoy your culinary creations without dreading cleanup. The brushed stainless steel exterior resists stains and retains its shine even after multiple uses and washes. The integrated pour spouts eliminate the need for additional tools, saving you time and effort. Whether you're draining water from boiled vegetables or pouring gravy into a serving dish, the spouts make the process spill-free. Health-conscious cooking. In an era where health-conscious choices are more important than ever, this saucepan shines with its PFOA and PTFE-free construction. You can cook with peace of mind, knowing your meals are free from harmful chemicals often found in non-stick cookware. Value for money. While the KitchenAid saucepan may not be the cheapest option on the market, its combination of premium features, exceptional durability, and versatility makes it worth the investment. The quality of materials and thoughtful design ensure that you'll use this pan for years to come. Customer reviews for KitchenAid saucepan with Pour Spouts, perfect for small batch cooking. I love this saucepan. It's the perfect size for making small portions of sauces or reheating leftovers. The pour spouts are genius. I no longer make a mess when transferring soup or gravy. The handle is comfortable and it heats evenly every time. Highly recommended. Great quality, but smaller than expected. The quality of this pan is excellent. It feels sturdy and looks beautiful in my kitchen. My only gripe is that it's a bit smaller than I imagined. Versatile and easy to use. This saucepan has quickly become one of my favorite kitchen tools. I've used it on my induction cooktop and in the oven without any issues. Conclusion. This KitchenAid saucepan with Pour Spouts is more than just a saucepan. It's a tool that elevates your cooking experience. From its sleek design and ergonomic features to its high-performance capabilities, it offers a blend of style and functionality that's hard to beat. Whether you're a novice cook or a culinary enthusiast, this saucepan provides the versatility and reliability you need to create flavorful, perfectly cooked dishes every time. Don't settle for less when it comes to your kitchen essentials. Invest in the KitchenAid 1 quart saucepan and experience the difference in quality and convenience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.